Welcome to a BEA Tech Time video. Today you're going to learn how to troubleshoot a fields error on the LZR-MICROSCAN. What causes a fields error? During a teach-in, if the door breaks home, opens fully, comes fully closed and makes home again in more than 30 seconds, it causes a fields error. You want that to happen in less than 30 seconds. I'll show you what that looks like. In this case, the door didn't go fully shut, did not make the home switch when the door went closed, therefore we got a fields error. Either something is physically wrong with the door and it didn't go fully closed, or it's wired wrong and holding the door open. Fixing these issues will correct the error after a new teach-in. This has been a BEA Tech Time video. Thanks for watching.